My name is Danielle, and I'm a BCBA and Regional Director here at CAIO. Have you often wondered how to create a fun and engaging learning environment in your home? Well, I'm here to share with you some tips and tricks on setting that up. The first tip is using clear bins. The child can easily see what's located inside the bin and label the item inside. Often, children just don't know what toys are available when they're at the bottom of a toy bin or shoved in the back of a drawer. This allows them to clearly see their options. We can take our toy and have the child ask for help to open the lid. Once they place it inside, with our help, we can provide praise and teach them how to take that bin and put it right back on the shelf. That creates an opportunity to ask for help, to label the item, and to keep the room clean. Next, less is more. We want to create an environment that isn't overwhelming and creates opportunities for the child to see all of the toy options they have. If they can't see what they have to play with, they might not play with anything. We also want to be rotating our toys. So making sure that you have less in the environment to create more play opportunities by rotating out old toys and bringing in new toys. This will create a fun and engaging learning opportunity for your child to ask where a favorite toy may have gone, or to search the room and find a toy they're looking for. Our final tip and trick is taking these bins and putting a picture on the outside of what's inside. This will help a young learner, or maybe a learner that's unable to read, match the item to the outside of the box. That will help keep your room clean, engaging, and fun for the child. They'll be able to clearly work on their matching skills and feel proud of themselves for keeping their room or their play environment clean. Those are simple tips and tricks that you can implement to keep your home fun and engaging. I can't wait to share more. Have a great day.